Hello students, how are you all? You are studying in SSLC, right? This 1 year feels different, doesn't it? They say SSLC is very important, but no one really explains how to stay calm, how to understand, how to prepare the right way. You open your textbook and the chapters feel bigger. Science feels complicated, math feels tougher. Mock exams? They feel scary. But listen carefully. SSLC is not about fear. It's about smart preparation. That's why Simple Lecture created a dedicated course specially designed for SSLC students. And for Karnataka students, we've built a special course just for Kannada speaking learners because language should never be a barrier to your success. Inside Simple Lecture, you get complete subject-wise lessons, simple explanations in English and Kannada, chapter-wise practice questions, full-length mock exams just like the real board exam, smart progress tracking, and your personal avatar AI teacher. Yes, an AI teacher you can actually talk to. Ask doubts anytime. Stuck on a tough problem at 11 p.m? Ask. Confused about a concept? Ask. Need revision before mock test? Ask. Get instant explanations. Learn until you truly understand. No confusion. No last minute panic. Just a smart and aggressive preparation. Sign up to Simple Lecture today. Let's make this SFLC year your success story.